underground mining for the cat jam. A little meme. We were doing Happy and You Know It. We've got some clips from that one. I might get that clip, send it to TD, get him to put the cat jam in it. Here, barely done any running. 3 cutting, that's it. It's as full as the trail that's gonna get. Yeah. I'm glad you guys like the air horns. That's why I put them on. That and to stop Anthony from having them on. Because he would just be doing everything everywhere.